Emmerish, RHEIN. Emmerish ako ngayon. Emmerish. First time dito. Oil shop in Emmerish, people. Oil shop in Emmerish. Emmerich Vodafone on Michelle Brink, magkatabi. Here is Ernstine Family Telecom. Olive Fast Food, Volksbank. Nandito din ang mga offer cups of Sonntag. Oops. Ernstine Family Telecom. Olive Fast Food with Hähnchen sila. Parkase, All Tours, Taco, DM Deichmann. Okay, shoe. Rive. There is Deichmann and DM. And bakeries. First time here in Emmerich. Oh, ice cream. Tiramisu. Here is KODI. Wow. Beauty nails. I have to go inside KODI. Actually, I am now in KODI kasi may pinapabili sa akin si Sven. I think this is the one. I send sometimes. You can buy here Doppelkochplatte. Oh,